What's happening, fam? Down here off Calipana Road, chilling. Made it down to the beach. Beautiful day. Nice high tide. Check it out. Say what's up, my daughter, chilling, Jasmine. Little kind of exclusive place off the coast here. Kind of places I like. Hopefully can maybe catch some fish. Catch some fish today. Sorry about the wind, if it's messing up the mic, I don't know. We'll figure that out when I edit it. Look at this beautiful, beautiful Hawaii. Got the fam, kids, fams. Homeboy chilling. Beautiful. Alright, we'll take a walk. Take a walk with me now. Might pop the coconut or two there. Cruise up over this ledge, see if my little fishing spot. Sometimes it's too treacherous, I can't even get a line in, but here, I'll try to keep this beautiful coastal view. And that's so beautiful. Ain't that beautiful, y'all? Yes, I live in probably one of the most beautiful places on the planet. Look at that. Man, I hope I can catch some fish today. Oh, it's one of those days I just put it off and put it off. Put it off and put it off. And then I'm like, yeah, all right, who wants to jump in the car? The son, he didn't want to get off the video games. That's all right. I ain't hating. Oh, look at that. And then got my daughter to come out. She's more of a beach body. Sup, bitches. Love you guys, man. I wish all y'all could be here. So as part of this show, you guys get to see my life. Maybe one day can be your life. Let's check this out over here. And yeah, it's just gonna get better. I'm gonna get a better camera, all that stuff. Sorry, there hasn't been very much content lately. I've been working. Had to get a job. Ooh! Tell you what, kids, never turn your back on the ocean. It can slam you. Look at this. Zoom in. Here's your Zen moment. Oh. Look at that. I'm trying to come up over here. Like I said, this is on the Puna side, you know, Calipana coast. Whoa. This is sometimes where I like to throw a line in, but I don't know about today. Might be able to get off right there. But I ain't really come to fish too much. I wanted to get out, get to the beach today. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful day today. Look at that, not a cloud in the sky. Well, a little cloud, it's not bad. I think my best bet is just, I'm gonna kind of fish off the top of the water today. Normally I'd throw something out, but put a little live bait on my spinner and see what happens. Alright, y'all. Hope you're having a good day. I'll put some more content later here. Like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll put something together later and hopefully maybe catch a fish today. Alright, y'all. Aloha. Peace. What's happening, family? Oh, down here at the beach still today. I'm gonna like try to do one of them things where you like make a few videos and cut the video up. You know, make it long, but you know, where it cuts in and out. Anyways, out here, check this out. I'm in this little hole I found. Isn't that cool? Literally my new home. Definitely my new smoke spot when I come in here. Isn't that super dope? And it like comes out up over there. It's like someone maybe left an offering even there. It's pretty cool, man. Anyways, there's the view from here. If I spin around, look at that. Imagine being here in the stars, you know, just kick back. Dun, 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 with your boy Big J. Oh, girl. With the stars and the ocean. No, I'm just playing, but I'm not. Anyways, cool little spot. Alright, y'all. Hope you're having a good day like me. Get out and get to the beach. Get outside. Don't stare at your TVs too much. Of course, unless you're watching my content. Yo. Anyways, peace, love. Check you guys. Oh, yeah, shit. Look at this shell I found. Just in time's ADD moment. Isn't that cool? Whoa, okay. It looks like, I think it's gonna be a dope puka shell eventually, they call them, but you know. Pretty sick. Nice one. Oh, wait. Alright, y'all. Anyways, aloha. Check you later. Peace. What's up, family? It's your boy Jay, soon to be sunburnt as hell. Anyways, got bored of fishing in that one spot, so I'm just walking down the coast here. I haven't really lived here that long, so I haven't seen much of this stuff, so I'm getting a good view. Anyways, check this cool thing I found. Dangerous ass blowhole. Hold up. That's why people disappear here in Hawaii. Watch this thing, bro. I'll back it up a little. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? Fucking death hole. What do you think, guys? Should I get in? Hell no. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Isn't that cool? I wish you could stand right here and catch, like, it just, you could feel it. It's just, whoa, boom. So awesome. Hold up. Wait. Almost shat myself, guys. We want the content though. What's up? Do it again. Wow. Woo! Hot as shit though. Wow, that was dope. Anyways, y'all. Hope you're enjoying the content. Oh, fuck, this bug's crawling at me. Try to get a cool little stream together video for you guys. Alright, y'all, don't forget, like and subscribe for, oh, that's so cool. I always fucking do that. I want to end the video, but look at that. Look at that in there once it drains out. Right to the ocean. Woo! Yes, yeah. Anyways, guys. Like, subscribe, share. Love y'all. Hope you're living on the edge. Living it up. Peace out. What's up, everybody? It's part of your Tuesday father-daughter trip to the beach day. I done walked from here. I'm here now, but look at that down there. I just found this cool like pool. Isn't that awesome? I kind of want to go down there, but it's really like sketchy. And to me this all looks like this could, on a really ripping day, fill up with water. Or, you know, ocean. Look at that. Right now I'm about, I'd say a good 20 feet up. But like, look at that. Oh my God. There's my blowhole from earlier. You know, beautiful, huh? Yeah. I love it here in Hawaii, mates. That's why I never went back to Ohio. Wasn't anything personal. Little crappy Australian voice for you, but dang, man, I'd love to like go walk out over here and toss a line out into that deep, but that's hella sketchy. I'm not doing that. Not without a vest or something. Anyways, here, check it out. This is where I'm sitting. Get the kind of scope of everything. Isn't that dope? Just chilling on the beauty of a day, y'all. Hope you're doing the same. I was way over there. I'm hiking. Finna hike back soon. It's cool, that noise that hole's making is a lot like a blowhole whale makes. Look at that, man. Yeah, I think on high tide that this whole area is probably, you know, full of water right here, like from here in. Alright guys, I hope you can even hear me. I know the wind sometimes gets to it. Look at that beautiful ocean though, guys. Holy smokes. Just try not to take life for granted, guys, you know. We all go through shit. You never know what curveball is gonna come your way. Sometimes you just don't swing. Well, you know, sometimes you focus on that thing, target it, knock it out of the park. You know, when it's your turn, when it's your time. Don't swing at curveballs, you know, you have no business swinging at, I guess, you know. Anyways, if that makes any sense. Love you guys. Hope you're getting out. Hope you're enjoying this content. And I hope to get more better content as we go. Peace out.